Hello viewers, this is Korean Software Technologies Private Limited, and we are showing the demonstration of one of our on-demand grocery delivery application, Instafresh. You can clearly see here three users: customer, driver and admin. I'll log into customer. As soon as I log into customer, it fetches my current GPS location, and I'll have to make sure before login I enable my GPS so that it catches current GPS location. You can also change the zip code here, which I'm changing from 8 to 1, and I'll submit that. Now the application will display all the stores associated to the current zip code that I have added now, and I'll click on one of these stores. I can see all the products within that store in parent-child category. So the parent is the top title of that, and the products are their child category. When I click more, I can see more products within the particular parent menu. Now you see how fast this works. As soon as I've selected a product, it adds to my cart, and I will click on cart and proceed to checkout. I can review. I can when I check out, I can see different options here. First is to add card, second is add address, and the third option is to review product. Okay, so I'll review the product, and you see I can I have ordered this product. I'll click, and that's it. Now I'll go to the card section, and you see I already have 2 cards added to that. I can add one more card if I want, or this way I can add one more card, or I can simply proceed with the already existing cards into that. So I proceed with the MasterCard, and I can also add the addresses and remove the addresses. So the first address that matches with the location that I set for searching, I will add I'll tap that, and I'll have my groceries delivered at that address. I'll make payment now. And as soon as I make the payment, I receive the notification here on both the drivers. You see, driver 1, driver 2, driver 2. Okay, and once I click on notifications, I go to the orders page of the application on the driver side. I can review the order. Okay, and now here's the crux of that. This is how it works on the driver side. Customer placed the order. All the drivers associated with a particular store in that particular zip code will receive the notification of that, and the customer that reviews the order first will get the job. So it's as simple as that, based on first comes first served basis. I'll review the order. I'll click on that, save it, confirm it, and as soon as I confirm it, the status changes from review order to reviewed. Okay, and let's go back to the driver 2, okay, who also had received the order at the same time. So when I click on review order on the driver 2 side, save, confirm. Okay, now it says sorry, you cannot accept the job, this has already been taken by someone else. Okay, I'll click on okay, and I'll move with driver 1. In the meantime, I'll go back to the customer side, and I'll see what happens in the in my order listing. I'll click on order history, and I'll see the order that I made has been added to the order history, and the status is just the order. So when I do further proceedings in the driver app, the status will change accordingly. Now on the driver app, I will accept the order. And once I accept the order, I'll go back to the customer and I'll show you what happens. You see the status has been changed from order to on the way. Okay, I'll come back to the driver 1. Okay, now you see the order number 272 on the driver's side has already been accepted, and it comes under accepted delivery. And once I click on map, I can I can see the pins for different locations, like for store, for customer, and for driver. And when I click on one pin, I get there, you can see. Okay, and this is the customer location. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, if I go back and I complete the order, okay, yes, and the order has been completed. As soon as the order has been completed, the customer receives that your order has arrived. Okay, customer will click on that and will go to the order history page, and you can see the order status has been changed from on the way to delivered, and you can see many other details of that particular order when you go down the page or here. So the as soon as the order has been delivered, the order does go to the past orders. Okay, and this is all about the customer and driver app. If I talk about admin section, you can see in the meantime what happens at the admin section. Let me zoom a bit. Okay, so you can see the status of order number 272 is completed, and you can track the other orders. Order number 269 is completed. Order number 265 at the bottom is processing, and order number 270 is shipped. So there are 3 different orders. When I click on one order, I can see the complete details of that order. So that's it from my side, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.